Hey, what's up, Camp Nerd fans? This is Ian back here in the camp, and I want to welcome y'all to another tutorial. And we're going to be getting into a few different things. We're back working with the material design as always, but this time we're going to be doing menus and to kind of show you the cool effects you can get with the menu. And so before I actually get into this tutorial, I just want to thank everybody for following all of my tutorials. And I want to extend a holiday greetings out to everyone a little bit early. And so, if you have not had time to join the Camp Nerd family and you would like to, and you love getting tutorials like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And as always, like my videos, it gives me feedback and lets me know where I need to step my game up, whether I need to do more of one thing and less of the other, because this is a community and y'all's feedback helps me a lot. And also be sure to read the description because there may be something in the description that you may not know about that you would like to, such as our Keep It Nerdy merchandise, which is we have coffee mugs, hoodies, t shirts, things like that. That is in the description below. And also, if you have any questions or comments about this tutorial, leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you and answer them as soon as I can. I always answer all of my fans and family that is in the Camp Nerd community. And so, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a menu that is in material skin, and it gives you this little cool uh, menu setting. It's not like the old. You can also add icons, and if you would like to see how to add icons to the menu, then we'll do that in another tutorial. Be sure to leave a comment below saying you want to see that tutorial, and I'll show you how to put icons beside all of these right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm just going to exit out of that and exit out of this. And what we are going to do is bring up a form which is already done, put in the material skins and everything. And if you have not seen the material skin as far as the material design themes, then go back a couple of previous tutorials how to use material design themes in WPF and C Sharp. That is in one of my tutorials and we will get back to there. So what we want to do first is we want to uh, basically just drag a regular menu over and let's see if we can find it through here. So that would be menu like so, and then you can just drag it out to however you want this menu to be. And we'll do it like that. You can make it as big or as small as you want. Now, over here in the code, you'll need to delete both of those and you need to add your closing menu on there, like so. All right. Now, with this is very, very, very simple. It's basically the same thing as you do everywhere else and you have a menu, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to add a dock panel to that. So we're going to add a dock panel just to make it a little bit more snazzier, I guess you could say. And then we're just going to highlight that, copy it, delete that, and then come down here and paste it like so. All right, so now we are where we need to be. All right, and we can erase this menu right here because we'll do that here in just a second. We're going to do it actually by code. So we're just going to do the dock panel right here. And within this dock panel, we need to clarify a few things as far as the size and all that. So what we want to do is we want to do a vertical alignment of top and then we're going to do a height of 25. No, let's go 36. That should be pretty good. All right. Now, within this dock panel, we're going to create a menu. So you need to add a menu, close it off like so. All right. Now, within this menu, we are going to define a few things. So it's going to be a dock panel dot dock, and it's going to be at the top like so. And then we're going to come down in between that menu. Now we are going to get into the menu items. So the menu item, and this is going to be the header, and then you're going to do underscore, and then let's say we're going to do file. All right, now you want to close that off with your closing so you have that menu item right there. All right, now we are going to get into the actual file. Let's say we can do uh, font size. Let's do 15. All right, and let's also do this as a vertical alignment of center, like so. And then this right here is going to be a vertical alignment of center, and that just brings that up a little bit. All right, so now since we have that set there, uh, well, let's make the font size a little bit bigger. What if we go 20? Yeah, 20 is a little bit better. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to be doing the sub menu items, which is actually fairly easy to do. So you're going to come into your right here and you're going to add the menu item again. Menu item, then it's going to be the same as header. And then your underscore, and let's say this is going to be new. You're going to close that off. You're going to come back over here and you're going to do menu item, header. And this is going to be open. Close that off. Then menu item again, header. And then this is going to be save. Okay. Now, if you wanted to add like the little separator, so basically you just put in separator like so, close it off, come down, then we're going to do another menu item and a header of exit like so, then we're going to close that. So now you have basically built a menu for this right here as the file. So if we run it and we start it, you'll see that you have file. When you click on it, it gives you this little menu that you have right here. Now let's say you want to add another. All right, well, this is going to be fairly simple. Pretty much where you see your menu item, header, and all that, you're just going to highlight and copy that. You're going to come down under it. You're going to paste it. And then we're going to put this as options. And then this will be formats. Setup. And see format setup. Well, let's just put font just to bring that up. And then right here, we can put about, like so. All right, so we're going to save it and we're going to start it. Then you see we have the file and then we have the options. Now, let's say we want to have this right here is clickable, or let's say you don't want to have this part up here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make it clickable. All right, first off, we're going to go to the window and we're going to go down to, it's going to be, I think under appearance, it's going to be none, like so. And then we're going to put the exit button under the exit form under here. So when you go right here to the exit, you want to make that menu item clickable. So click, and then you're going to put this dot close, like so. And I'm getting a telephone call, as you can hear, Deadpool. So we're going to do is we're going to save this right here, and we are just going to start it. And then you can see you have no border, which is I'll have to make this movable, but you see you got your options, you got your file, you can come down, you can click exit, and it exits out of the application. So this is the tutorial on how to use menus, and if you would like to see how to add icons to the menu items, then be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and we will do a tutorial on how to do that. And remember, this is Ian. Be sure to like my videos. It shows me that you love what I'm doing. And if you have not joined the Camp Nerd family yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And I will see y'all guys in the next tutorial. Until next time, keep it nerdy.